Now we are going to discuss chapter number 5, arithmetic progression for class 10th. Exercise 5.1, question number 1. Here the question: in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So we have to check the given is in arithmetic progression and what is the reason. So we can come to the first situation. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional kilometers. When we get a problem, we have to consider the given details. Here it is given the taxi fare. For first kilometer, 15 rupees and additional kilometers rupees 8. Additional 8 rupees. This is the given details. Now we want to think about how to check a progression or a sequence or a list of numbers is in AP or not. AP means there will be common difference. There will be common difference. Common difference means in a list of numbers, the second number minus first number, or third number minus second number, or we can say the difference of two consecutive terms. So here the first term is 15, second term will be 15 plus 8, 23. So again we are adding 8 means it will be 31, etc. These are the taxi fare for the first kilometer, second kilometer, third kilometer. So we listed it is according to each kilometer. It is getting by adding 8. 8 plus 15 is equal to 23. 23 plus 8 is equal to 31. 31 plus 8 is equal to 39. So here common difference is there. Common difference, which is equal to 8. Therefore, it is in AP. Therefore, it is in arithmetic progression. Now we can go for the discussion of second question. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. The amount of air present in a cylinder, that is not given. So we can suppose in the cylinder X is the unit of air in the vacuum pump. In the cylinder. Now first term will be X. That means first case it is X. What is X? The air in the cylinder. Now the vacuum pump removes 1/4. 1/4 of this means 1/4 of X means 1/4 into X. That is removed means new term. Second term will be A2 is equal to X minus 1/4 of X. So it will be equal to 3/4X. Similarly, the third case again, this is the remaining air. Its 1/4 will be reduced or removed. So it will be equal to 3x by 16. Therefore, the third case, from the remaining, this 3 by 16 of x will be removed. So we get here for the equalization it will be 16. Here 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. So 9x by 16 will be the balance. So the first term it was x, second it was 3 by 4x, and third it is 9x by 16. So each cases the difference. What is the difference here? It will not be equal to this difference. We know that the numbers are different. 3x by 4 minus x, which is not equal to 9x by 16 minus 3x by 4. Therefore, there is no common difference. So we can say there is no common difference. There is no common difference. If there is common difference, then only it will be AP. Therefore, it is not in AP. It is not in arithmetic progression. Okay. Question number 3. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when to cost us rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 by each subsequent meters. It is a similar question as we discussed in question number 1. There it was related to taxi fare. Here it is the cost of digging well. First we have to pay 150 rupee. Second we want to pay 50 rupee additional. So 200 rupees. Then 250. Then 300, etc. So there is a common difference. What is the common difference? 200 minus 150, which is equal to 50. So there is a common difference. There is a common difference. Therefore, it is in AP. It is in arithmetic progression. Okay. Fourth question. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. In compound interest, the amount will be finding. We know the equation P into 1 plus R by 100 all raised to T. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at a compound interest at 8% per annum. So the amount in first year, that is 10,000. But the second year, this is we can give name A1, first amount price. Second year it will be 10,000 into 1 plus. Here the interest at 8%. So 8 by 100. Percentage means 100. Each year, this is first year. The second year we are going to find here, which is equal to the first year. After first year it is means 1 year interest only is getting. So we get 10,000. Second year starts means there is only 1 year interest first year. So that's why we are using time period 1. Into this we are adding 100 in 100. 108 is equal to divided by 100. These 2 zeros and 2 zeros will be cancelled. This 100 into 8 is equal to 10,800. So the first amount it was 10,000. Second amount is this. Now third amount. Third year starts means 2 years interest will be there. So 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square will be there. So 10,000 into this we added and we studied 108. It is 108 by 100. And here square is there. So 2 times we want to multiply that. Now these 2 zeros and these 2 zeros cancel. This is also cancelled. So we can multiply this. We know the multiplication. So we can multiply. 8 8s are 64. 6 remainder. 8 0 0 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 1 8 is 8. 0 into these three terms, 3 0, then 8 0 1, because 1 into 8 1 into 0 1 into 1. So here we get the answer. What's the answer here? 4 6 16, one remainder will be there, so 11,664. This is the third term. Now we can see that a common difference is existing or not. How to check that? Find the difference, a2 minus a1. a2 is 10,800 minus a1 is 10,000. Here a1 is 10,000. So we get the answer 800. But a3 minus a2, common difference means the difference of two consecutive terms. So a3 is 11,664 minus 10,800, which is equal to, we know that here 4 minus 0 4, 6 minus 0 6. Now here 16 minus 8, which is equal to 8, and 1 minus 1 0. So 864. The previous difference it was 800, now it is 864. So there is no common difference. The difference is not common. There is no common difference. Therefore it is not in arithmetic progression. So I think we are able to identify the sentences. Here 4 sentences were given. First one, it is related to taxis fare. There were common difference 8. The second case, it was removing 1/4 off. Off means multiplication. So everywhere multiply means not subtracting 1/4, but 1/4 into what we get, that subtracting. So it is not equal. The difference, it was not common. The third case, it was digging, and first cost it was 150. Later it increases by 50 rupees. So there is a common difference 50. So it was in arithmetic progression. Fourth question, it was related to compound interest. It is not in arithmetic progression because each year according to compound interest the amount is varying. So first time it was the difference 800, but second case it was 864. So there is no common difference. So we said it is not in AP. So thanks to all.